Let's be honest. Let's be honest. Now, would you have ever expected that all those little leftover that this will come out of it? I don't think so. Okay, let's start, guys. Now, the first thing is my week veggie meal prep. Now, I came up with this trick because I am not a veggie lover, but I know I my body needs veggie. We all need veggies. So the only way I love to, or the only way I had to stay intact consuming my veggies is just go to the grocery shop, grab any veggies of your choice, cook them, steam, parboil, however you just want to have it. Just do it anyhow. Store in the fridge. I bet you. Sometimes I will open my fridge and say, what do I do? The veggie is there. This veggie has been about 1 to 2 days and I need to consume it. And then I bet you I will grab veggies. Okay, that's just it's just the trick that has really helped me. So I'll put this aside. I have today I have to make use of this leftover before they go bad. So I have a arugula, I have eggplant, I have these things you just buy them because you need them and you won't make use of everything. So today we are about to make some quinoa, sweet potato, chicken salad bowl, and I hope you enjoy watching this video. Now I'll go ahead and peel all the stuff and we'll see again. But before I go, I would say thank you so much, my returning subscribers, for always tuning in. I truly appreciate you all. If this is your first time on my channel, my name is Anniekrieger. Please stick around and enjoy watching. Now, to start with, you want to bring a pot of water to a boil for our veggies while we peel the celery and carrot and every other one. Cut just into roses like this, and that's all. So the time is going very fast. I need to be fast. It's almost time for lunch. Also, we'll add in some amount of salt to boiling water. Go in with the celery. Now, before bringing in your celery, you want to make sure it is well cleaned, okay? Because sometimes we can't get rid of all the dirt from the water here just by cooking it. So we'll let this cook for some minutes before adding carrots and broccoli. Then this one has been cooking for a while now. I'll go in with the carrot because I didn't cut the carrot too big or too thick. So we'll also let this cook for at least 2 minutes before bringing in broccoli. Then in. So lastly, we'll bring in the broccoli. Like I said, please just try to clean your veggie first before bringing it in. Stir everything and just let it simmer on a low heat. This shouldn't cook more than 3 minutes again. Now, like I said, your broccoli shouldn't cook more than 2 to 3 minutes. You see the color we have here. We want to keep it so al dente and also retain that beautiful green look. So I will scoop this out right direct inside a bowl of cold water. If you have ice cube, include some ice cube to your cold water. If not, just let it settle down here. Now this is what I have. I'll let it sit in here for about 2 minutes just to completely cool down and scoop it out immediately. Ready for our salad. You want to get a skillet, or maybe sometimes you don't have anything to saute or whatever. You can just go ahead and prep your salad. Or if you have any veggies to kind of brown, then grab your skillet. I have eggplant. This eggplant has to go. Okay, I don't know what else to do for now before it got spoiled, so I have to make use of it. So I will saute this for some minutes and we'll move on. My veggies out of the water, so just get a sieve and strain out everything. You want to let it sit on those sieve until all the water drops out. Here I have So you can add in, you can go for chicken breast, you can go for chicken thighs, so deboned, skinless, chicken quarter. You can even go for parboiled eggs. So I am going for deboned and skinless chicken quarter. So for the spices to marinate my chicken, I have um, I have rosemary, I have chicken spice, paprika powder, garlic powder, and just more amount of some pinch of salt. So just bring that in here, just to lock all the spices. I'll add in some olive oil, go in with some peppercorn or chili flakes. Actually marinate your chicken some hours if you have that time, or overnight, but I don't think that is necessary. So for this, I will scoop out my eggplant. I have my eggplant, set it aside, go in with olive oil once more. Guys, trust me on this, you're gonna love the outcome. So go in with your chicken or whatever protein you want to make use of. Let me say thank you so much for still watching. I truly appreciate you guys. Uh, Please don't forget to hit the like button if you haven't already done so. Please. Now, because I'm using olive oil, I have to prevent uh, browning my chicken on a high heat. Okay, so just go on a low heat until you achieve your goal. Of course, you can as well finish it off in an air fryer, which I'm going to do maybe, just to make sure it is well cooked. So we want to get this off the oven top, bring into an air bring into an air fryer in the oven, or you can as well just cover it up here and continue to cook until you achieve your goal. So I made a space for you to have a better view of everything. So right now my veggie is ready. Having this veggie stored in a fridge, to be honest with you, this can stay up to 1 week long. There is no day I will eat without including veggie because it's already there, so I have to consume it. All you need is just warm it up with some parsley, with a butter or with olive oil. And next up is sweet potatoes salad, sweet potato chicken salad. I want to start with some green salad down here. I'll go in with arugula salad. Next, I want to add in what's it called, eggplant. Again, we want to go in with good amount of sweet corn. For my quinoa, I will leave a link up here how I usually prep my quinoa. Okay, I have a full detailed quinoa recipe. So another thing I have, this potato here looks like this because it is pre-cooked and dried. I have my sweet potatoes, just scoop it out just like this, and that's all. So I'll go in with the sweet potatoes. Game changer, I can't skip it. So next I want to come in with yogurt dressing, good amount of yogurt dressing, guys. So here we go, guys. Chicken is ready. Go ahead and slice. Look at it. Well cooked. Very, very important when it comes to chicken for me. Has to be well cooked. So here we go, guys. We still have some radicchio. We still go in with some radicchio. Okay. Just some sprinkle of olive oil. A slice of lemon, however, if you wish to have one. So I love to have that inch of pepper, grinded pepper corn. What do you say about our leftover meals, guys? Will you eat or pass? Now remember, all those veggies can be substitute to whatever you have at home. I've never, to be honest with you, I've never enjoyed any salad bowl as much as this. The creaminess from the sweet potato, the yogurt dressing, olive oil, the harmony was top notch. Please don't forget to hit the like button, share with your loved ones, and see you all in my next one. Bye for now.